welcome back. Let's do question 2.6. Dark tiles D and light tiles L are used to create patterns on a floor. The first 4 patterns are shown below. For the patterns that follow, the tiles are arranged in a similar manner. Each dark tile is 0.3 meters wide and 0.6 meters long. Calculate the total area covered by all dark tiles in the first 100 terms. The dark tiles form a pattern 1, 3, 5, 7, and we managed to find that dn is equal to 2n minus 1. 1, 3, 5, 7. The constant difference is 2. And then we start with tn is equal to an plus b. A is the constant difference here. So tn is equal to 2n plus b. Then you can substitute any term in the pattern. Let's say term number 3, which is 5. T3, which is 5. So we put 5 here is equal to 2. Then n. 5 is term number 3. So we say 2 times 3 plus b, which is 5 minus 6 is equal to b. Negative 1 is equal to b. Therefore, tn is equal to 2n minus 1. That's how we got that. Okay, in this case is d. You can say dn is equal to. Calculate the area covered by all dark tiles in the first 100 patterns. So we need to find the number of dark tiles in the first 100 patterns. We have to add them. So the first one is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. It goes on like that. Now, term number 100. How many terms are we going to be having? Let's see. Let's do it here. So term number 100, so it means D100 is equal to 2 times 100 minus 1. So it means D100 is equal to 199. So it means 199. Okay, it means term number 99 is going to be 197. Then term number 98 will be 195, something like that. Okay, it goes on like that. The difference between the terms must be 2. So we're adding these terms. So we have to recognize something. We can do this thing differently. But what I've recognized that we have 100 terms, right? So we can divide this into 2 equal parts. Term 1 up to term number 50. And then term number 51 up to term number 100. So we have 50 this side. We have 50 this side. But now, I want you to see this. If we say term 1 plus term 100, what do you get? We get 200. We're adding this one and this one. We get 200. Right, plus term 2 plus term 99, we get what? 197 plus 3, we get 200 again, plus 195 here. Right, term 3 plus term 98. Term 3 plus, this is 98, 99, 100. Term 3 plus term 98 again is 200. See that? So if we add this lower half and the upper half, we'll get what? Each pair will always give us 200. Okay. And then how many 200s are we going to have? We're going to have 50 of them. We're going to have 50 of them. So the total number of tiles here is going to be 50 times 200, which is equal to 10,000. Okay, so there are 10,000 tiles. And then they say calculate the total area covered by all dark tiles in the first 100 terms. So it's going to be total area covered is going to be 10,000. Then the area of each tile, length times breadth, 0.6 times 0.3. Then you get your answer. which is 1,800 square meters.